What's up, y'all? It's your boy JP the Install Guy here, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 1950 line Ford Fairlane, and we're going to go ahead and take this radio out. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing, and this is what we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what the channel is about. So whether you're beginner or advanced, this channel is for you. First thing you want to do is go ahead and pop off the volume knobs. There's going to be one on the right side, one on the left, and that's going to reveal a very flat bolt that's holding the radio in from the front and the panel. And I believe it is an 18mm socket that we're using to go ahead and twist that off of there. After that, we easily just want to go ahead and pull the face off, and then we're going to see that same bolt on the back side. So we're going to go ahead and use that same socket to take that off as well. Now, I did notice after we take the bolts off that the radio did not move at all. So we want to go behind the dash, and we see that there is a 11mm bolt both on the back and on the side of the radio that's held in by a bracket, so that radio is extra secure. So we want to take this socket and remove both of those bolts, and then we should be able to take the radio out from the back side and just let it slide down. Alright, so there you have it. Here we have the factory radio, not a lot of wires that went into it. If you guys want to install an actual aftermarket single DIN radio, you can. You're just going to have to match up the sleeve to this, do a trace, and then cut out the metal. Or you can get one of these custom auto sound retrofitting radios. This is a radio that gives you the same look as the factory from 1959, but it gives you all the aftermarket features that you would need, like Bluetooth, auxiliary, stuff like that. Even though I ended up swapping out the 6x9 in the front dash and the rear speakers as well, the sound quality was just not there as far as the output that's coming out of this radio. So if you're going to do something like this, I advise that you get some type of amplifier, and you might need to do like a line driver or processor to make sure that everything is going to be clean. Now, this is a radio removal video only because I didn't want to take up too much of the customer's time to kind of go over this, because there was so much work that needed to be done. But if you guys find any type of value on how to take out of the radio, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I will try to have the products links in the description as soon as I can. Till next time, I want everybody to keep going and keep growing, and have a blessed day.